Hey, what's up? Welcome to Triple Play Tuesday round 2. Now round 2, this watch face has got to be my favorite out of the whole lineup. Now this one here is called Nucleon. My man got down on this one. I love the blend of analog and digital. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. You will be able to see your analog time at a glance with no problem. Now when the watch face is on, I'm telling you, my man did a really good job with this one. I love the window up at the top that gives you your digital time, and I love the fact that it gives you the best of both worlds, analog and digital. Now with the digital time up at the top, you're going to get your date, going to get the days of the week, and you're also going to get info on your heart rate and floors climbed. Now if you come over here, you're going to get your battery info, you're going to get your steps down at the bottom along with calories burned. Now you're going to be able to go into things like your weather, your music, you're going to be able to make a phone call, go into your messages, and if I tap right here, I can set a favorite to make the watch face just that much more convenient. So I thought that was pretty nice, and the watch face is in the active, so if you need to go into your weather, make that phone call, go into your text messages, you can with no problem. Also, if I need to get my heart rate information, I could tap right there as well. Now what I really love about this watch face, first of all, is that you get premium looking analog hands, get a nice ticking second hand that adds a lot of class to the watch face, and you can double tap and I could change the look of the information. You get a few different colors in all. I thought this was really nice, and my man really did a good job with this one. Now if I double tap right here, I could change the background theme. People, check this out. So depending on how you're feeling, what you're doing for that day, you could change the look of your watch face to however you see fit. You get a few different backgrounds and all. Again, I thought my man did a really good job on this one, but that's not it. If I want to, I could change the color of the analog hands, hour and the minute. Not bad at all. Nucleon, continue to do what you do, my friend. This watch face is boss. But again, at the end of the day, people, it's all up to you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face, and if you're going to go download it right now. All right. And with that being said, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.